I'm seeing nothing but leveled Tahoes today. The white one, just saw a silver one. Damn.
I think so. I can't remember off the top of my head though.
It's the one, it's a roller, my truck coming off of a dust spot onto the asphalt.
Pulled up to the tent shop first thing this morning, literally hopped out of bed, jumped in the truck, we'll change clothes and stuff, obviously. Got my man, y'all go follow him on Instagram, that_H2. Cleanest, is it rain? It better not be fucking raining right now. Got the cleanest Hummer probably in the nation, I think, personally. Cleanest Hummer in the nation. He's actually one of the only people right now, there's probably less than 10 in the whole world that have the hashtag Red Gang decals on their truck, and he got that one done himself. He actually didn't get it from me, so huge shout out to him. Just put some new spaces on the truck. It's honestly, I think his truck's wider than mine. I think the Hummers are just wider than the Silverados are. So even with 4-inch spacers, I think his Hummer overall is wider than my truck is over there. But he's getting some windshield tint done, so I wanted to come up here and hang out with them at the shop for a little bit today before we jump into the video. Were you doing full windshield or just the brow?
I think I'm just doing the brow.
Just the brow. But he's got some Jeep headlights that he just put in here. He will have some videos coming out on these, so make sure y'all go check out his YouTube channel. YouTube, Thomas Mosley. I will try my best to remember to put that in the link below or in the description below. So make sure you guys go check that out. Let's go see what's going on here in the shop with the boys this morning. You guys saw briefly first thing when the video started, I was on a consulting call first thing this morning. If you guys want some help growing your Instagram page, remodeling, personal branding, all of that stuff, I can help with that. DM me on Instagram, we'll set something up, we'll set up a time, a call, we'll get it all figured out, and I will help you guys learn how to grow your brand, grow your Instagram page organically. And really we've been helping a lot of people. I want to see what's up organically.
What's up?
The boys. I love these guys right here. They've got a YouTube channel that they never post on.
Dude, we're so damn busy.
Yeah, they're busy up here at the shop. If y'all want some window tint, EXZACT Customs.
Only custom.
EXZACT Customs on Instagram. Message them, come through me, however you gotta do it. Best window tint in the nation.
In the galaxy.
In the nation. Real quick, I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Sharktail Hitch, at Sharktail Hitch on Instagram. If you guys have not checked out their Instagram, make sure to do so. The best all-in-one flagpole hitch for your truck, SUV, or even car if you found a way to mount a hitch on the back of that damn thing. You need to go check them out. Use the code THATWIDE2020. It will be in the link in the description below for 10% off of your purchase. That makes it like $117 before tax. Super simple. All you have to do is get a flag and a pole after that, all in one. It's like 16 gauge steel that the main hitch part is made out of, and 14 gauge steel, I think I'm saying that right, that the pole is made out of. Super awesome. It's got a bottle cap on the back. I would show you guys, but I'm not right by my truck. I will insert a picture of it so you guys can see it right here. Bing! Me right next to the truck. Look how cute I am. Look, that's me right there with my Sharktail hitch. Make sure you guys go follow them on Instagram and go check it out and go buy one 10% off below. I didn't get a lot of this on camera, but I have something pretty fun planned for today that we are going to try and attempt tonight. So a lot of you guys know that I cut off the wheel lights from the front of my truck. Well, this is the back, but I cut off the wheel lights from the front of my truck because they were messing up. I still have the ones on the back. I didn't put any of this on camera, but I did take off the rock lights and I ended up giving them to somebody. But I think we have a solution that's gonna fix that today. It's under $20 and it's from Walmart. So, and it's not the rock light kit from Walmart. It's homemade rock lights. So this should be pretty interesting. Hold on. I don't even remember what we were in Walmart for, but we came out with these. So these little guys, they got magnets on them and they have a little hook on them. So they got magnets on the bottom and a little hook. And what we're gonna try and do, obviously, you know, the wheel wells are not metal. The wheel wells are not metal, so they're not gonna just stick up there. So I think we're gonna have to tape them up there somehow. But the plan, once you take the little tab out, is to have rock lights for the truck. I don't know how well that's gonna work out, because it looks like just one single beam of light. It doesn't like spread out, but either way, we're gonna try it and see how it looks. So I'm gonna work on trying to get these mounted up somehow, and then I will show you guys what they look like when it gets dark, because obviously you're not gonna be able to see it right now. Not really, unless I point it at the camera. But $10 or $15 rock lights from Walmart. These were like $3 a piece, $3.99, something like that. So less than 20 bucks, you can make rock lights at Walmart, and we're gonna test it out today. I just made the greatest discovery of all time. This turned into the easiest freaking mod I've ever done in my entire life. And you can tell this is genuine excitement. Look, I don't know why I didn't think of this before. I'm an idiot, but magnet, metal, bam. We have rock lights on the truck now. And you know what? You could put, look, this is, before I drop one and break it, you can put all 4 on the same wheel. Genius, absolute genius. And anyway, even if it was sitting inside the well, it'd be shining down because my wheels are so wide, it wouldn't even be on the wheel anymore. So this is like fucking perfect. So all I gotta do now is wait for it to be light or wait for it to be dark outside and then show you guys again. Mwah, brilliant. I know it's not 100% dark outside. It actually looks pretty cool behind me over there, but we can kind of see what the lights look like now. And that actually does not look, other than the fact that you can see the light right here, just forget that part for a second. It's not that bad. It's really not that bad. For $15, $16 at Walmart, that's really not that, like, obviously you can't ride around like this, but that's better than some rock lights that I've seen. But the cool part is we can try 2 because I have 4 lights. I don't have to put them all the way around. We can try 2 on each light is the cool part. So I'm gonna put the other 2 on and show you. Look at that. Like I said, forget the fact that you can see, the lights on top, but just look how, that doesn't look that bad. Here, let's see what Christina thinks about it. You got a good point. You could, wow, look at that. Now they're like wheel lights almost.
You can see.
I can tell these are gonna come in, or, so something that I had pointed out a minute ago.
I'm surprised you're not recording the sky or how pretty it is. It's
Fog lights now. Now they're fog lights.
no, if anybody needs fog lights, it's me, because you still won't wire mine.
Yeah, I still haven't wired yours in yet. There's unlimited possibilities with these lights. She's laying on the couch. She wasn't very excited. First of all, look how, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick up how like cool the sky looks right now. Now it's not focusing on anything. Freaking $20, it looks like a freaking spaceship. Look at, oh, I'm so excited. That turned out so much better. For less than $20, you guys can go to Walmart and make your own damn rock lights. This is the best $20 challenge I think I've done out of any of them. This one actually turned out pretty damn good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Holy crap. And you can move them anywhere you want. Look. Bam. Now they're fog lights or reverse lights. Fog lights. Wow, the possibilities are absolutely endless. I don't think, obviously I don't think these are metal enough to fit in the wheels as wheel lights, but I mean, they're pretty bright. This, I mean, it's, as you guys can tell, it's not dark outside, and these are pretty freaking bright little lights. $3.99 a piece at Walmart. Wow. These are probably some of my more favorite videos to film. So if you guys want to see some more of the $20 Walmart challenges, drop some different places below. Goodwill, Target, Walmart, even just little convenience stores, gas stations, anywhere that y'all might want to see a $20 challenge. Let me know, drop it in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. This one turned out pretty freaking good for less than $20. I will see you guys next time. I love you guys so much. As always, let's get this bread.
Get the spread.
Is it gonna focus on me? Is it? Say hello. Freedom_F150. Follow my man right here. We're not gonna do that today.
Dude, it's pretty damn wide.